Now, this car doesn't have audio streaming, but don't let it put you off, because there is a great little thing called, well, I'll keep that here. That's the PalaView. I think that's the link flow. Can't remember what the other one's called. But we'll do this one first anyway. All you have to do, a USB and auxiliary. On the Mini, that's the USB. Plug in like so. And then auxiliary in. You'll probably hear that. And then if we go to music, there we go. I'm going to turn that down. I'll click play. You'll see at the bottom there, it's already linked to PalaView link flow. And if I turn this up, what I have to do, go to mode, select auxiliary, click auxiliary, and then if I turn it up, and then turn it down, that's it. Same with, we'll just take these out, turn that down. Now with that one, all you can do is change tracks by saying, hey Siri, next track please. This one, if I just plug that in like so, and then we can put this up here. You see there, Bluetooth flashing already. If I go to, as I say, I've already paired this and it's dead easy to do. PalaView Live Flow, click on that. That's it, it's paired already. That will, it's got a microphone in for your hands-free Bluetooth. You've also got, let's see, we've gone to music, click music, play music. At the bottom there, you just check. PalaView Live Flow is playing. We'll turn it up here, go to mode, and just click onto auxiliary, click auxiliary. That's it. Because it's plugged into auxiliary, it will play now. And if I turn this up and then I turn this up, that's it. That's streaming your audio. And